What's going, y'all? RJ 10 mil. Randy's 989. 989 slapper. And I'm here with my dirty canvas. And a new masterpiece. So, we got a monster on our hands, y'all. Straight from Tokyo, Japan. Godzilla. We went and got the D2 thing. And we ain't going max power. Let me show y'all. Oh, I'm about to break my back, y'all. 4,700 RMS. We ain't coming to play no more, y'all. We ain't coming to play no more games. Let's crack it open, see what we got. See what we work with. See what we working with. Oh, I got the light on the wrong side. Let me reposition for you. Look a little bad. Look better. Put it over here. Alright. So, this is a Godzilla, if you already see. American base. You don't see. I ain't got my knife, so. I'll bust her open right quick. Oh, yeah, a box inside a box. Amazing. Some people would complain about that. And well, it's nice to me. This thing, bro, came with box hooks. It came with actual handles, and it was really nice to hold. That was really good. What? Oh yeah, I'll show y'all real quick. Max power 12,000 watts. Insane. 4,700 RMS. 3.5 inch voice coil. Bruh. Impedance 1x1. 1x1.5. Oh wait. You can do one ohm by one ohm. You can do 2 ohm by 2 ohm. Bro, a box in a box in a box. Is this sub really small? Did they catfish us, y'all? Uh-oh. American base. Here go my warranty right here, baby. 1 year from the date of purchase. Alright. American base excellence in sound, baby. I don't know if y'all can see that good. There we go. I think this is it. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness, y'all. Regular looking American base logo. But what I'm seeing through there is some doggone, I like what, the carbon fiber looking look. Insane, y'all. Look at that. First peek. I haven't seen no videos of the 15 online yet. So, here it is, y'all. American base glory. It was one higher than this. It was the American base king, but I was like, nah. It's like 6,000 RMS. I was like, this should be enough. I got a Terrence Big Boss 5K, so I'm gonna put this 4,700 on there and rock out with the one for a while. Let's get it right on 3. 1, 2. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh my goodness, y'all. How much does this weigh? What's up, honey? Oh my goodness, y'all. This is a monster. Bro, this is a monster. Oh my goodness. Oh, they wasn't lying, y'all. They wasn't lying. Big 4 gauge. Let me take this off for y'all. Let me get closer. Big 4 gauge leads. Not 6 gauge, 4 gauge, bro. Look at that. Beautiful. Positive, negative. It look like you got triple threads on each. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at that mag. Look at that mag, bro. Insane. It's exposed magnet too. This is all definitely magnet. Nice and solid. This is a nice, really, really nice basket. The basket kind of looked like how my Rockville Destroyer. It looks exactly like my Rockville Destroyer, actually. But this is insane though. Look how thick this is. I can grab my Rockville Destroyer 15 and I can show y'all the difference right quick. Give me 3 seconds. So here is my, oh my word. So here's my Rockville Destroyer, my 15 D2. Side by side difference. They both are 15s. And this was my baby. This was rocking the earth, y'all. That's all see what I'm saying with the baskets. Look at that Rockville Destroyer looking basket. It's really nice though, y'all. I'm not gonna tell y'all no stories. So I'm going from 6 gauge leads. I can only fit 6 gauge in there. It was hard putting the doubles, so now it should be really easy. Or I just put that wire. It should be really easy putting 2 6 gauges in. Oh yes, it's gonna be very easy to stick those 2 6 gauges in there. Oh my goodness, y'all. See this? See the difference? 2. This one has the 3 strand. Insane. Look at those. I was already gonna cut that open. I'm gonna recone this. I was cutting it open because I blew it. But see, it's dusty. It's been under my desk. But look at that. Just wanted to give y'all a quick look. I haven't seen any online yet, so I'll be posting it ASAP. Quick view, and I'm on my background. I was pretty excited. Just got off work, didn't clean up anything, y'all. I said I got to show the world because this is going in my Impala. But yep, thank y'all for watching. Next video, y'all.